Alright, what is up guys? Another slow, boring quarantine day here. Trying to keep the ball rolling. Actually just got the intake all done and set up. Super happy with the way that this turned out. If you guys haven't already, go subscribe to Oliver's channel. I'll leave a link in the description below. Me and him have actually been talking the last couple days, and he's going to be teaching me how to TIG weld soon. Super excited about that. Something I've always wanted to learn how to do, and I have a lot of ideas as far as parts we can make and stuff that might even be for sale in the future. So definitely keep an eye out for that. It's going to be a long process, but definitely worth it. Today we're actually going to be installing the new KOYO radiator. So let's get this old one out and get to work. So I guess before I take the stock one out, I should probably make sure that this is the right one. Never know what could happen. Alright, just got this thing unwrapped here. Looks to be pretty good quality so far. Hopefully the fitment is good. Had a couple in the past that didn't really fit well, so decided to try this out. I do want to polish it on the top before I put it in the car, just so it looks good. I also got the high pressure radiator cap with it, so should be a direct replacement. It does have the points for the OEM fans to mount to, so should be pretty easy. Alright, so I've been polishing this thing for about 20 minutes now. This is the side that I've already done. As you can see, it's looking way better than the original finish. This is the metal polish that I've been using recently. It's called White Diamond. It also has a long-lasting sealant in it, so that's good. Definitely happy with the way that this is coming out. Alright, just got done polishing this thing up and turned out pretty good. There's definitely some little nicks and stuff in it that I won't be able to get out with the polish, but for now this definitely looks a hell of a lot better than what it was originally. So gonna bring this out there now, get the other one out and finish this up. So I got this top radiator hose off, fan switch plug to undo, and then I'm going to pull it up. I'm going to get that lower radiator hose off and it should come out. Got a little coolant down here, but we got it out. I'll probably just clean this up really good before I put it back in, just because I'll never really be able to reach any of this otherwise. And then we're gonna swap those fans out real quick. Alright, so I just got this engine bay cleaned up as best as I could. I just need to get these fans off and put them on that one, and then we can throw it back in. Lost my damn 10mm socket, so I'm stuck with this thing now. I'll probably clean these fan shrouds up too while it's all off, just so it's even cleaner. Tighten these up, and then this is basically ready to go back in. Alright, this is pretty much the finished product here. Got everything all cleaned up, bolted down. Super happy with the fitment and everything on this so far. Let's get this thing back in here. Alright, just got this thing all wrapped up for the night. Super happy with the way that this is coming out. I like how the brackets match the radiator. I actually do have a cooling panel coming from Japan also. It's going to kind of tie into all that. Super nice. So definitely excited for that. I do need to fill this with coolant and stuff though. So I think I'm going to end this video here. Kind of a short one today, but if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. We got a lot of cool stuff coming in for this. We might be going bags soon. I don't know. But thank you for watching. If you haven't already, hit that thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time.
Mm-hmm.